Hello everyone, today I will make tom yum gai. Let's do it. First step, I will put galangal and lemongrass in the pot. Then I wait water 5 to 7 minutes for juice to cook. If water is cooked, wait for 1 minute. I will put the seasoning powder in the pot, like this. Next step, I will put the raw chicken in the pot, like this again. You want to add the raw chicken when the water is boiling, because if you add the raw chicken in the water when it's not boiling, it will make the chicken fishy. Then wait until the chicken is cooked and spoon out the chicken foam. Then when I finish the put out chicken foam, I will put a slice of tomato in the pot when its water is boiling. Next step, I will put fish sauce. It's up to you how salty you like it. You will see I will not put a fish sauce too much because I'm not like salty. In the final, I will put the chili powder in the pot, like this. Okay, it's up to you again. If you want the many chili and spicy tasty, you can put it many. Okay, I'm finished to cook. For safety, I will turn off the sweet. And do you see lemon? If you don't have lemon, to cook tom yum is not called tom yum, because the tom yum must have a salt flavor, salty and spicy. Then you see I will put some vegetable in the pot. It finished its last step to cook tom yum. Finally, so delicious!